Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what I want to do is share with you how I was able to earn $37,000 in just 3 short months. And the reason why I want to talk about this is because so many people are trying to generate a full-time income from home online. And I want to talk about the mistakes that most people made, but not only that, the best opportunities that are out there right now that can help you to start generating a full-time income. I'm going to take you exactly through what you want to do and what you need to have in place in order to have success online. So you're going to want to stay till the end of this video so you can get all the information that you need and you can make an educated decision on what works best for you. So if you've tried any type of online opportunities in the past, just scratch it out your head, okay? Because there are going to be some people on here that have tried before and failed. 2015, that was my entire story, okay? Trial and error, getting in the wrong programs, a lot of people scamming me or just providing me with wrong information, or people just taking my money and not giving me anything that I can actually make money with, okay? So what I want to do for you is first share proof and then talk about what you're going to need in order to be successful, okay? It is mainly about being consistent more than anything else, because what happens is you build up momentum over time, and we're going to actually discuss that. So what I want to do is show you proof, and I'm going to go in here so that you know that this is real time, real information. And we're going to just put in today's date. Okay. What is today's date? I hope everyone is enjoying their day. Wherever you're watching this from, I hope you're enjoying your day, enjoying your evening, whether you're at work or with your family. I hope that you get a lot of information and education from this channel and this video. So today is August 31st, Tuesday, 2021. And what I'm going to do is this is my Stripe account, which is one of the accounts that I use to earn money with online. Right now, I'm in my home office, and this is where I normally go to start producing results and start making money within my online business. So I'm going to just hit this refresh button, because if anything is ever refreshed, you can't make it up. Okay, so I'm going to hit the refresh button and let this just refresh. As you can see, this is my account, Passive Income Online. That's the name of my business. And as you can see here, in the last 3 months, this is a report overview. I was able to generate $37,000. And again, this is just from one account. So this is just to show you what's possible when you decide to start earning money from online. But of course, there has to be some things that you want to have in place. Okay, so the first thing that you need to think about is when you actually start trying to generate income from home, the opportunity. Are you getting it something that sounds too easy to be true, too like unbelievable? If it sounds too good to be true, more than likely it is, okay? And that's one of the things where I messed up in the beginning, was just getting into opportunities, and it was like quick cash. You know, do this and you're gonna make $100,000. Do this and you're gonna make $25,000. I'm telling you right now, it doesn't work that way, okay? So coming across opportunities that are too good to be true is mainly one of the things that people normally fail with. You know, they just get into opportunities where they're just like, I'm ready to make this money. I'm ready to get started. Tell me what to do. And then they're thinking that they just hit a couple of buttons and then you're all set to go. The second thing is not having realistic expectations. So what that means basically is getting into opportunities where you're not realistically thinking of how long it's going to take to start generating an income and the things that you need to have in place in order to generate that income. So when you come into the online space, you want to just make sure that you have realistic expectations about what it is that you need to do, how much time you need to have, and how long it's going to take to start generating that income. If anyone ever tells you how much time it's going to take to start generating $100, $500, run the other way. The reason why is because no one can tell you how long it's going to take in this industry. It all comes down to your consistency, how much you apply yourself, your skill sets, and what it is that you're willing to learn. Okay. And again, for everyone, that's going to be different. So if anybody ever tells you that, run the other way. Okay. The other thing is time or money investment, right? So what you need to have is either more time and less money, or more money and less time. And the reason why I say that is because there's people who can take a ton of money and throw it into traffic and start generating results, right? And then you have other people that don't have the money to do that because maybe they don't have a great job, or they have a huge family. They don't have a lot of money on the side to generate traffic. So what you need in that situation is more time. And that time is going to help you build up the momentum to start earning that money. Okay. So what I want to talk about today is one opportunity that I think is really good for people to start with. And it's very newbie friendly. And not only that, it's going to help you to start gaining momentum to get results. Now, I'm here to tell you, I cannot determine how much you're going to make and how quickly you're going to make money. It's all left up to you and your capabilities. If you have an hour to 2 hours per day, you can make this work for you, because that's how I started. Okay. I made sure to dedicate time every day during a full-time job to my online business because I was ready to leave my job and I wanted to have success. Okay. I have 2 children. They require a lot of time and energy, like most moms. And I wanted to be able to have more time freedom to spend with them and to do the things that I enjoy doing. I was not able to get that with a full-time job. So this opportunity is called Infinity Processing System. And I'm going to talk about what it's going to do. It's going to help you generate $300 days or more using this identical system. Okay. This website that you're looking at right now is what you're going to receive when you get signed up. And people are going to be able to come here and get information about what it is that you do. What you need to do to get started is you just pick a level to join. They're going to give you the ads to post, which are going to be free. We're not talking about paid ads like through Facebook ads or YouTube ads. These are paid, free ads, not paid ads. And then you're going to start collecting 100% commissions. What I love about this is that the money goes straight to you. There's no middleman. So you don't have to worry about your money going to someone else and then going to you. This money is going to go straight to your account, your bank account, whatever it is, right? And the other thing that I love about this opportunity is that it's international. So you can be in the US or you can be outside of the US and you can actually get started with this opportunity and start producing results. Okay. And again, it's all about being able to have something that's duplicatable. I believe in that. If you can get someone into something where they can actually start producing results and start building momentum, and it's easy for them to set up, it's easy to get that information out there to the next person. Okay. The other thing I believe in is having a system out there that's affordable for everyone. So you know how some of these opportunities, it's like $300 to start, and then it could work its way all the way up to $5,000. For some people, they look at it and they're like, oh my gosh, I don't even want to touch this because I can't afford to get to the top level. And that's where I want to be. So I'll go and look at another opportunity. With this opportunity, you're going to be able to join wherever you feel most comfortable, because they have the $50 level, the $150 level, and the $300 level. And you can move up if you decide to, or you can go right to the top. Okay. With this system, you're going to get these 3 packages that's going to have, it's going to be a digital educational platform that's going to show you exactly how to create leverage on the web, right? So if you want to learn how to make money online, all you're going to need to do is pick one of these levels. You're going to also get a website that's going to be a one-time fee. And then with that level, you're going to get all of this information that's going to be broken down into short tutorials that's going to tell you about the program, but not only that, give you exactly what to do. Okay. You don't have to worry about setting up a website. You don't have to worry about setting up a capture page. The company will take care of the sales page for you. And if you are part of my team, we will take care of the capture page for you. Most people fail just because they cannot get their funnel set up properly. You don't want to be one of those people that have that reason. So what we're going to do is we're going to shorten the learning curve for you so that you can get in and actually start producing results. And as the results come in, you'll start to be more confident on how the online space works. So again, this is not a get rich quick overnight. This is something that you're going to have to put a little bit of time into. But again, if you have an hour to 2 hours a day, this is something that you can definitely use to leave your full-time job or have it as an additional income, just like I did back in 2016. I didn't start out with a following. I didn't have a list. All I had was commitment. I was commitment to the process and to what it was going to take in order to be successful. It took me a little bit of time to get results, but I was okay with that because I knew that I needed to learn something new and I needed to apply myself daily in order to start seeing results. And sometimes that's what it takes. So this is for you if you're tired of struggling and you feel stuck and confused. If you're a college dropout, maybe you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, you're looking for a way to make some additional income for you and your family, or you're just tired of your job. This was me. I was tired of my job. Not only that, I was tired of when it was time for me to go on vacation. Even though I had the time, I couldn't go anywhere because I didn't have the money. It's like, okay, I have vacation time, so what am I going to do? Okay, take the kids to their physical, take them to the dentist, take them to see a movie, because I didn't have money to get on a plane or go stay at a 5-star hotel and go eat at beautiful restaurants. That was just not a part of my lifestyle. Okay, I can definitely say that this has changed my life. And there's a lot of people that I know that have had life-changing experiences using systems like this. So if you want to learn more about what it is that I do, maybe you want to even get to know a little bit more about me, you can subscribe to this channel. Okay. You can also get the link in the description below that's going to tell you more about what I do, and it's going to have the information for this website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am available to answer any questions that you may have. If there's something that you don't understand. And just also remember this, it's okay to not understand what you're doing, because a lot of people come into the industry and they think they're going to fail because they don't know. But think of it like this: you go into a new job, you don't know what to do, but then someone teaches you what to do. It's the same thing. You're not going to learn how to do everything right away. You learn as you go, you earn as you learn, and that's what you want to do. I needed to realize that in the beginning, that I'm not going to know exactly what to do, and I'm not going to do things as good as the next person. I just need to do what I know how to do and do it to the best of my ability. And then I don't need to learn everything. I learn a little bit at a time, and I apply what I learn a little bit at a time. I'm not great at everything. I don't know all the social media platforms. I don't know how to run all of the different traffic sources that they have, but I know enough to produce 6 figures in the online space. And that's all it basically takes, is learning a little at a time and applying yourself daily. So if you want to learn more about what it is that I do, again, the information is in the description below. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.